Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, or story time aimed for kids ages 3 to 6. So today's story time is all about rainbows. So make sure that you take out your lesson plans and you follow along. As always, we're going to start with you'll sing a song and I'll sing a song. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, let's sing it. Let's go ahead and sing it again. Here we go. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, so our next song is all about rainbows. It's called Rainbows Are, and it's going to go through the rainbow order of colors. Okay? Rainbows are red and orange, yellow and green, blue and violet. All of these colors make the rainbow so colorful, so colorful. Okay, let's go again. See if you can memorize the rainbow colors, okay? Rainbows are red and orange, yellow and green, blue and violet. All of these colors make the rainbow so colorful, so colorful. This song ties in with our craft. So you're going to get, if you come to the library and pick this up, you're going to get a little book of crayons that are all the colors of the rainbow, and it's in the right order too. And then you're going to match the circle with the color name on the crayon. So see, just like the song, rainbows are red and orange, yellow and green, blue and violet. See? So they're red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Kind of tricky to remember. I forget sometimes, but that's why I made a little craft like that, so you can remember. So our first song, not first song, our first book is Rain Before Rainbows. Here we go. Rain before rainbows, clouds before sun. Night before daybreak, the old day is done. There are mountains for climbing, journeys to take. Dreams that are hopeful, decisions to make. Dark days may shake us and worries creep in, with dragons to duel and battles to win. Thunder will rumble, lightning will flash, the wind will start blowing and tall waves will crash. But there are footsteps to follow and words that are wise. There's a map that will guide us when troubles arise. There are friends who will help us, courageous and kind, a rope to hold on to, and treasure to find. Sowing and planting, roots before shoot, stem before flower, leaf before fruit. Rain before rainbows, clouds before sun, night before daybreak, a new day's begun. A day full of promise, a day full of light. The morning is breaking, and the morning is bright. See, rainbows make a lot of people happy, so it's like a symbol of hope and happiness. Next we have a poem, and it's kind of a silly one. So imagine that you have a wig full of all those rainbow colors that we went over before. So it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Okay, here we go. Rainbow purple, rainbow blue, rainbow green and yellow too, rainbow orange, rainbow red, rainbow colors on my head. So imagine that wig. Colors, colors everywhere. I like rainbows in my hair. Don't you like imagining a rainbow as your hair? Isn't that very pretty? Okay, let's go again. Rainbow purple, rainbow blue, rainbow green and yellow too, rainbow orange, rainbow red, Rainbow colors on my head. Colors, colors everywhere. I like rainbows in my hair. Okay, so our next book called My Color is Rainbow. This is a book about being yourself. So if you remember, I once did a program with this book where you actually made the little rainbow guy, the little rainbow friend, but this time we're doing the rainbow book. Okay, here we go. My color is rainbow. Little white Arch looked white, but he knew he was more than the color white. He wondered, could I become another color? Little white Arch dreamed of the possibilities. We're red, won't you fall in love with us? Little white Arch loved the idea of being loving. He could become red. We're friendly and orange, come play with us. Little white Arch was delighted to play with his new friends. He could become orange. We're yellow and skippity hoppity, happy to see you. Little white Arch couldn't help but do a little dance. He could become yellow. Yellow's my favorite color. So pretty and bright and happy. We're green. Let's dig our hands in the dirt. Little white Arch cared about nature and helping the earth. He could become green. We're blue and as calm as a still ocean. Won't you take a snooze with us? Little white Arch realized he needed a peaceful moment from his adventures. He could become blue. We're purple and here to celebrate our majestic color. Won't you join our party? Little white Arch felt special living it up. He could become purple. Little white Arch pondered which color to be. What color do you think he should be? He could become red and loving, orange and friendly, yellow and happy, green and helpful, blue and peaceful, purple and majestic, or he could become all the colors. I found my color. My color is rainbow. We have all of those colors inside of us, all those different traits and ways to be. So I think that's a really special book about being yourself and allowing yourself to be all kinds of different things. So our last song is a classic, and it's Over the Rainbow. Here we go. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney tops is where you'll find me. Aren't rainbows fun? There's so many different colors. What's your favorite color? I hope you enjoyed this story time, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!